Hello everyone and welcome to the homestead. Well, as you can see behind me, we have a roof on the house and it is looking fantastic. Now, our friends Tara and Jason, they're not here anymore. They had to head back to their homestead. Go check them out, White Rock Homestead. I'll leave a link up top. They have some stuff to do. They have like 2 days, 3 days to get stuff done there. And then they are heading back to Tennessee to see Pops, who is having surgery. But go check out their channel and get the whole story over there. I am back on this build project. My buddy Rich is going to be here shortly. And the first thing we're going to do today is get all our tail ends trimmed on the roof, get up there, get it swept off, and we're going to try and get it all taped off and sealed up today. Alright guys, we are back up on the roof. Rich, I'm telling you, the guy works like a madman. He's very inspiring. He's keeping me working because I'll tell you, I'm ready for a nap. But that's not going to happen. We're back on the roof. Everything looks perfect, ready to go. So we're going to see if we can get this side all taped off, get on the other side and be done with the roof. that, guys, we got a roof. The roof is up. It's on. It's completely taped. The ridge cap is been sealed until we get the metal and get my vented ridge cap on. Missy went inside. There's no light coming through anywhere. The roof is done. I'm so excited, guys. Finally, things are really starting to come together. Next up, we're gonna finish off those two gable ends on this side and this half on this side, sheath it, and then we can put the house wrap, guys, and it'll be fully dried in. Got go 40 1/4. Thank you. Go 29 3/4. Right? Okay. Don't fall in our septic hole. Nice and easy. You? Will it come towards you?
Yeah,
No.
it will.
At the top?
No.
I just need to bring it
What?
here. Okay.
Nope, now it's gonna come back towards me. Right there. No, we're gonna shave it. We're gonna shave it unless you can bang that in. We'll shave it. That's fine. But it's gonna fit in there. Are you on a stud if you're there?
Yeah. Well, barely here, but then it goes up this way, so I'm good up here. We just have to go in an angle here.
Okay, so there's no moving it towards me. If anything, it'd have to go towards you.
Yeah, unless we put a little nailer right here.
Okay, let's pull this out. Yeah, and then we'll go right down the same way. I'm on the ladder. Put the bottom in. See if it'll flop in.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it will.
Yeah, that looks much better.
Right. Missy,
Yep.
send up that gun. I don't care who gets it, as long as it's one of us. No,
I'm not going to be able to reach.
no,
What?
you gotta come up the ladder.
Oh, your favorite
I
duty.
know. My favorite part. Oh, these rungs are slippery.
Yeah.
Are you guys going to be able to pass back and forth?
Yeah. Feel good, Rich?
Yeah.
All right, guys, that's it. One side of my house, gabled ends, sheathed up, ready for wrap. Super happy. Can you hook that on my belt, honey? No, there's nothing there that's And where is that board?
Right here.
What was that number? 40?
Yeah, 40.
40.
40.
So we need to come off of this side then. Off this side at 40. Off your side at 7.5.
Can you go higher? Yeah.
Yep. Oh, but I don't know what to do.
Well,
You're going to help Rich.
Well,
Keep it straight and steady.
yeah.
All right, hang on.
Yep.
Yeah, these staples suck. Rich, you got your stapler on you?
yeah.
Tack this side in.
There?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's good.
Yeah?
That's totally good.
Okay. All right. We're walking down, so we need to come up again. Yeah, let me see. I got it. There. Pushing tight. Got it, honey? If you walk it like this, you can push it tight. So bouncy. Why is that so bouncy?
What's so bad?
Look at
Oh. That's not even nailed in right.
That's all right.
Now it's
Drop down below it. There we go. next morning.
It is.
It's a little later than morning.
Yeah, it is.
Guys, I just crashed. I crashed out this morning.
Kind of needed a break.
But we have a few more things we got to do. We've got to seal these dormers with the house wrap.
The gable ends.
I know. Why do I keep calling them dormers?
I don't know.
Oh, the whole project I've been calling them dormers.
No, it's
The gabled ends. We've got to seal those up.
Yep.
We've got to put some flashing on the front to keep any rainfall out and away from the building. And slice open the doors, but seal them.
Yeah.
So that we can get in and out. And this project will be done for now. That's where we wanted to be at the end of this time that I took off.
Yeah, for a little while. It'll be a few weeks.
Next up will be doors and windows.
Yeah.
Then tin roof, and then moving on forward. But we are here today by ourselves.
We are.
We've had help every work day of this project, and I got to tell you guys, we couldn't have done it without the help of our friends.
No.
Certainly
have not gotten this far in a couple weeks.
No, we probably could have done it, but it would have taken much longer.
A lot longer.
And been much more difficult.
Especially getting the zip board on the roof.
Jason and Tara from White Rock Homestead came. You saw they stayed in their camper here. The Squatch. Yes, the Squatch. They stayed and helped. No one was more help than anyone else. Everyone that came and helped played a pivotal role, but Jason, being young and strong, he really pulled a lot of the man weight on this project, and I really appreciate it so much.
He had no problem climbing all over the rafters of the roof and moving around. And
I'm not a big fan of heights. I would have done it if I had to.
No, I hate even getting on the ladder.
But the thing of it is I'm no spring chicken, guys. I'm coming real close to 60 years old, and I have a knee that doctors told me 10 years ago that I should just get a full replacement, like a partial isn't going to help me. And it hasn't gotten any better since then.
Yeah.
And I have been really struggling on this project. But Jason stepped it up and helped me out. And Tara was a major, major help as well. Also here was...
the Asian bugs are awful today.
Another big help was Rich, who came over. Rich and Ann. She brought lunch one time.
Yeah.
He was here pretty much every day, and so was Scott Spencer. And Susan sent over dinner. His wife.
Everybody helped contribute with meals.
Everybody contributed in a huge, huge way. Even little projects meant those were little projects me and Jason didn't have to do, so we could stay on the big project to get the build done. So we just want to say thank you.
We also had some of our neighbors come over.
And their boys came over and helped.
And they were a big help.
Don't want to forget anybody. Big help, and we really appreciate it. So
I was just laughing and watching all of our neighbors that drive by now. They stop in front of our driveway and look.
They're like, ooh.
It's a house.
They have a house there now. Wow.
That was funny.
So we're going to get you guys set up, and we're going to see if we can get this project buttoned up, because there's a rainstorm coming tomorrow.
There is.
And it'll be the first test.
And you only have a couple days and you have to go back to work.
Yep. So it'll be a good test of our build when this rainstorm comes in. All right, let's get on it. All right.
I wish I could see the future. I wish I could see what's left. I know there must be an answer. Am I wasting what is left? And there is such thing as a vision of a story I'd like to live. But when you're stuck inside a prison, you never know how long to give. To think in negatives, I don't like to think too much. No need for any sedatives, but sometimes I feel messed up. And I like to think in positives, and that always seems enough. But there's far too much to think of when you're laying on your own. Yeah, there's far too much to think of when you're laying on your own. And I keep running away with words, and I clutter my head with clouds, and I shout till I get heard. And I keep thinking awful thoughts, and there's not that much to think about, 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 and there's
over here. Grab a hold of that. Go ahead, walk it out. Alrighty. That's it.
That's it.
We should be watertight.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know, guys. I think we're watertight.
For now, we are.
Yeah.
It's all temporary.
Well, there's a few temporary things. We put a piece of plastic in front of this door here.
Because we had to make a slit.
Because to get in.
Wrap.
So, I got jealous of Jason. Jason, I didn't cut it with the saw. I smashed it with the slap stapler and stuck a staple right through it.
I don't even know how you do that. I really don't.
'Cause I'm dumb.
Like,
I'm just dumb.
Just don't get it. All right. But
anyhow,
all I can say is I am so happy I don't have to climb on the ladder.
Oh yeah,
anymore.
she climbed up here to help me with the tin, guys. It was rough.
Well, the camera had.
But you did good.
The battery ran out, so we didn't catch the whole thing. But that ladder over here behind you,
yeah,
like it's too wiggly, and it's not sturdy enough.
You don't like it wiggly?
No. But
you like a nice firm ladder?
Yeah, it's gotta be firm.
Okay, good.
But anyway, that is a better ladder. Tara
Can
and
they even
Jason's,
see what you're talking about?
I'm not
It's
even
the
sure.
A-frame ladder, so
Yes.
it's a 12-foot.
It's one that
step.
Tara and Jason left here for us to
Yes.
use. And I realized that when you lean it up against something, it's sturdier
Yeah.
than it is actually open.
Yeah, it is.
And as for, what are those called again?
Those are called the extension ladders.
The extension
The
ladders?
inspection ladders?
Yeah. It's been a
Words are
long-
hard
It's
today.
been a long day.
It's been a long
But-
2 weeks.
But the extension ladder
Yes.
just is not sturdy enough.
No.
And
No, they're shaky to begin with. You
And
got
let's
you got to
face
feel
it.
good about it.
I don't weigh 100 pounds.
No.
So
No, neither do I.
so that thing is just
No.
not.
And we're too old to be falling from like
Yeah.
a foot up above
And
ground.
and I don't like the heights anyway.
Yeah.
So
But she did really, really good, guys.
Yeah.
She got up there. She conquered her fears. She did what she had to
after
do.
we switched ladders,
After we switched ladders.
because I almost cried going up the first one.
She did fine, guys. She did a good job.
But
But that's it for this part of this project. I'm going to have to go get in the big truck.
Yeah.
You're going to be heading out to plant garlic.
I am. I'm
So-
gonna start it. Well, no, I actually have
Well, you've got to prep the
prepare
rows,
beds,
but
so I'm
you're
not planting anything
No.
yet.
You're preparing the beds to plant garlic.
Yes.
She's planting garlic. She's getting ready to plant garlic.
Well, no, I'm not actually planting the bulbs yet. We're running a little late. I have to prepare all the beds
Okay.
first.
So she's going to
So,
do that.
Yes.
As we ramble on here at the end of the video, she's going to prepare beds. I'm going to go
okay.
back to work. We're going to be doing a lot more on this project, guys. Start to finish. You will be able to see it in our playlist,
Yeah.
Building Our Tiny Home. And I really hope that you stick around
Yeah.
and visit us some more here on the homestead, not only for the build, but for all the other homestead stuff we got going.
Yeah.
And thank
It's
you
probably
again.
going to start raining pretty soon.
It is. Thank you again to Jason and Tara, Scott and Susan, Ann and Rich, Christophe and the family, all for coming over here and helping us out. Guys, we couldn't have done it without you. We're so grateful for your help.
It
You have
did.
no idea.
It made for a really good 2 weeks.
It did. And we had some fun.
We did.
It wasn't all work.
No.
It was a little bit of play, just a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. We'll see you on the next one, guys. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.